It's going to be use a little of wasabi, but I don't have wasabi. Hola amiguitos, hola, I'm Ulysses Cruz and this is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Right now I'm so excited because I'm going to show you how to make one poke bowl with one watermelon. This is too tiny, it's very small, but it's enough for one bowl. I mean, just for me. It's the most important, right? It's the most important part of this video. Right now I'm gonna use half cup of white rice, you know, with the double portion of water. What else I'm gonna use? I'm gonna put on one side what I'm gonna use. This is optional. This is optional. Nori flakes. You know what it is, right? Nori flakes. Is Nori flakes? Of course that is Nori flakes. Ginger. I'm gonna use right now something like 2 tablespoons of ginger. I like to use fresh, but if you don't have fresh, you can use powder. I recommend you that. Also, 1 carrot and 1 cucumber. What else? Cilantro, microgreen cilantro. What else? Edamame, 1 radish. Avocado is optional. What else? Pickled ginger. Also, now it's going to be use a little of wasabi, but I don't have wasabi. Sorry for that. But if you have wasabi, you can use it. Did I say lime or lemon? What else? What is this? Oh, this is apple cider vinegar. But the best option is rice vinegar. You can use it, or also if you don't have that one, white vinegar. What is this? Oh, sesame oil. Sesame oil. What else? Oh, a little touch of something sweet. You can add it maple syrup, or what is this? Agave. Okay, you can use liquid aminos. If you don't have aminos, use tamari, or also if you want to do soy-free, use coconut aminos. Also, don't use the edamame. White and black sesame seeds. You can toast it also. And if you don't have cilantro, you can use another kind of microgreens. Also, you can use green onions. Green onions. Right here, I give you one idea what you really can use for make this poke bowl. Very easy, very simple. It's time to make it. I'm pretty sure that I don't say nothing else. Just let's do it. So it's time to make it. So right now I'm gonna cook my rice. Okay, rice, I already washed it a little bit. Da-da-dee-da-da-da. Why should I use 1 spoon when I have my finger? Right? Pinch of salt. And let's wait until the rice is ready. Okay, in one bowl we're gonna mix or tamari or soy sauce. The vinegar. What is this? Sesame oil and agave. Da-da-dee-da-da-da. Okay, let's wait until this is really boiling or really hot, and right now that's the best time to cover it. You know, I know that you know it. So it's time to cut it. Ta-ta-ta. Daddy! So just cut your watermelon. So I'm gonna bring into my marinade sauce. Yep, I'm gonna leave it marinated by a couple minutes or until my rice is ready, you know. Also, if you think it's not sweet, you can add more agave. Well, it's up to you. Or also, you can add some spicy, like chili flakes, or let's add it something crazy. Let's do something crazy, Ulysses. No. So just mixing well. Mix well your watermelon and place into your fridge by a couple minutes. I'm gonna try it. Also, I'm gonna adjust the spice. I like it, but I don't love it. Why not something spicy? Why not something spicy? What else? Da da dee, da da da, da da dee, da da da. Okay, try it, Ulysses. Try it. Don't be afraid. I like it. I like it. And I'm gonna love it right now. Okay. It's time to place in my fridge. So right now I'm gonna tell you, I don't know if I said this before, but I don't think so, but you can add a little sesame seeds. Oh! Yes, you can also add sesame seed and lemon or lime zest to your marinated. Yes, yep. You can do that also. Also, right now I already share my carrots. Do you know that? Oh, have you ever made the bacon with carrots? It's on the same way almost. It's actually it's the same cup. Sometimes you should dehydrate or just use one dry fryer, and it's very good. Also, I already cut some cucumbers. I sliced some radishes, and it's time to build our bowl. So I'm pretty sure that my rice is ready. I'm gonna try it. Beautiful rice. Delicious rice. What else? How should I build it? Oh my god, I'm missing something. My avocado. I hope this avocado is going good. Please! Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Sorry for that disorder, disorder. I'm so sorry. So you can slice the avocado, or also Got it. Dice it. It's time to make like something like a roll your carrots. Look at this, it's going pretty. Actually, when you're made it, when you're really done with this recipe, you're gonna love it. Pretty sure that you're going to love it. So it's time to add some watermelon. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, feel you free doing your or building your. You can play everything together. Just be a little curious. Try to build it with love. Some pickled ginger. So I say before, if you have wasabi, you can add it also. Why not a juice? Some edamame. What else? I'm missing something for sure. Why no more marinade sauce? Why not? What else? What else, amigos? Why not my radish? I'm missing something. I'm missing my cucumbers. Why not my cucumbers? Also, I say if you want to toast it, you can toast it. Your sesame seeds. If you don't want, if you don't really want, if you don't want, and you are lazy like me, just try it. Use it raw. Just use it raw. What else? Let's add a little aroma. I'm pretty sure that I've used everything. But amigos, one more time, feel free add any kind of ingredients. So then amigos, this is how it really looks like my poke bowl. It's so pretty. The rice is still hot, the bowl is still so hot right now. It's time to eat it, but I say you can use any other kind of veggies, microgreens. If you wanna use something garnish, you can use other kinds, substitutions. When you're picking some watermelon, I hope you got or you're running with good luck, because this time my watermelon wasn't sweet, but all the time there are options to make it sweet. You can add something sweet or something spicy, or depends what you're looking for. Some people for this bowl love wasabi. Ugh. I love the wasabi, but if it's a little bit, it's too. I don't know how can I describe it. It's so crazy for me eating. So, but you can use it. Also seaweeds, other kind of seaweeds. You can find a way to make your best poke bowl. And also, if you like this video, give me one thumb up. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and tell me what would you like to see on my next videos. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Oh my god, my hair is ready. Sorry, I have to go. Bye.